All right. In all the work I do with ChatGPT, one question is the most common. How do I make ChatGPT write like me? Okay. The authenticity, right? The flow, that doesn't sound like me. That's not what I would say. When people are using ChatGPT to write, it is the one thing that gets in the way of them using it over and over again and feeling good about it. So in this workshop, I'm going to teach you how to create attribute sets of voice, tone, and style. I'm going to teach you how to feed ChatGPT information about you, maybe transcripts and articles and background that will allow you to do so much more with it than you think is possible. This is the workshop that is allowing people to write books, to write articles, to write social media posts with ease and efficiency. They feel more productive. They feel like there are things swimming in their head, and if they could just get it out and organize, they could move forward. And this is the workshop that's allowing busy people that are wanting to write more efficiently, or more effectively, uh, to be able to do that, right? So how to have ChatGPT write like you.